Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Dodge Charger window switch. First, check if other windows operate correctly. This helps determine if the issue is isolated to one switch or a broader electrical problem. Listen closely for any motor sounds when you press the faulty switch. Also, inspect your vehicle's fuse box for any blown fuses, as this is a common and easy fix. To access the window switch, you'll need to remove the door panel. Start by using a plastic trim tool to carefully pry off any decorative trim pieces. Next, locate and remove all visible screws, which are typically Phillips head. Once the screws are out, gently lift the door panel and disconnect any electrical connectors attached to it, setting the panel aside safely. With the door panel removed, you can now replace the window switch. First, disconnect the main wiring harness from the back of the old switch. Then, carefully release the retaining clips that hold the faulty switch in its housing. Once the old switch is out, simply insert the new window switch module, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Now it's time to reassemble everything. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel, making sure each one is secure. Carefully position the door panel back onto the door, securing it with all the screws and trim pieces you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test all window functions to ensure your repair was successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.